what I'd love to conclude on two things, actually. If you can tell us what are your top 3 aha moments that changed your trajectory as a scientist, that led you to where you are today?
I don't know. I mean, one would be during my postdoc, I was starting to work on this poorly characterized protein that was known to bind to G-alpha subunits, and it was not completely clear what it did. And I remember I did like a boring experiment, which was mapping what region of the protein was responsible for binding to G-alpha subunits. And at that point, I remember going back home and I did a blast search of that region of the protein, and there was like a conserved sequence. And then I realized this sequence looks like something similar to a peptide that had been described by David Siderovsky's group. That was a synthetic sequence that could bind an activity protein. So I connected the two things, and I thought there is going to be something here. And meaning that this protein that we don't know what it does probably has this sequence, this motif. It's what makes it bind to G proteins and regulate G proteins. And I was excited because when you have that, it's very easy to envision the 10,000 experiments that you're going to do, because you have your protein, you have very clear hypothesis, you're going to start making mutants to disable that function and so on. So that was exciting. Actually, that became my postdoc and became, like probably my first R1 was on this topic. So it was really a moment that was before and after. And it came out of a relatively boring experiment.